Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Miss Wangoi Muithathi, and on today's episode, we will be talking about 9 smart ways to build wealth quickly. Stay tuned. The number one wealth hack is to leverage skills that you already have. Some of us have skills, but they're not using them. Use your current skills to generate income. Those skills you're not using are opportunities for you to create more income. Identify your strongest skills and find consulting gigs. Talk to people. When you don't do anything about your skills, nobody would know what you're good at. Sometimes you can even offer to do freelancing, just to put yourself out there. Take advantage of the skills you have. If it's a talent that you have, take advantage of it. Some people have become great because of skills or talents they have. So use it. Even if you're employed, use that skill. Do something part-time thing. Leveraging on skills you already have saves you time, money, and resources, because it's not like you're going to train for a new skill. You and someone who's going to enroll for a new skill are totally different. You cannot be compared to someone going to learn a new skill. You're already a step ahead. So for you, this is immediate earning potential. Don't sit on it. Although a skill can be limited to demand, just put yourself out there and I'm sure you'll find something for you. Get out of your comfort zone. Don't care about what people will think. Capitalizing on existing skills that you already have can accelerate your income journey. They say the first step is the one that is most difficult. You have to encourage yourself and take that first step. Just do it. Another wealth hack is to invest on low index funds. This is a type of investment that tracks a market index. You can always start with small amounts only in platforms that require minimum investments. They're good because they provide long-term growth with relatively low risk. Index funds have consistent returns, but they require patience for significant growth. If you're an impatient person, you need to find a way on how you teach yourself how to be patient. Because good things take time. Nothing good comes easy. This is a simple, low-cost way to benefit from stock market growth. So take advantage of these things, especially when the initial startup amount is minimum or low. Take advantage of this kind of investments. Another wealth hack is to flip things online or products. Flipping items online means you buy them at a cheaper price and sell them at a profit or to make a profit. Find places where these things are sold at a wholesale or low price, then come and post them online or find a way of selling them at a profit. You can sell them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or local groups. Even on WhatsApp groups nowadays, you see people posting products on their WhatsApp status or even on Instagram, whatever platform they're using. It has a low startup cost and it's a proven side hustle model. It has quick income potential, but sometimes it can take time. Before you get a buyer, it can take time. But once you root yourself and you have clients, I think that's a very, very good business. Selling items online can generate quick profits without using huge capital to start. It requires very minimal capital, making it a nice way to make money. Another wealth hack is try and take advantage of compound interest. You know this thing they say there's power in compounding. Take advantage of it. Don't just put your money in a normal kawaida bank account. Look for accounts that have this compounding effect on your money so that your money can make more money. Don't allow for them to give you these funny interest rates. Your money becomes lesser and lesser by the day. Compounding is interest earned on money deposited, calculated based on initial principal and accumulated interest. So start a small savings account and let interest grow over time. Money grows faster when interest compounds over time. Compounding gives money accelerated growth, but it requires patience. You have to practice patience. You have to wait. These things you have to just wait. They take time. Compound interest amplifies growth with regular contributions. So you don't just deposit money once. It's best if you do it severally. Like after, you can do it weekly, monthly, daily. I guess it really depends on you as an individual or the intervals you get money. Another thing you need to do is network with like-minded people. That's another wealth hack. This is simply surrounding yourself with people who think like you. This is more of building connections with individuals who have the same goals as you. You can do this by attending local events, online groups, or attending conferences. You always hear the wealthy, they are always traveling around the world to attend conferences. This is more of networking. Networking opens doors for new opportunities and mentorships. They are great for access to advice and opportunities, but you have to put in effort. You have to go all out. You know, networking is, you have to go where they are. They can't come to you. You have to put in the effort, and lazima ujitume. Yeah. It forces you to get out of your comfort zone. Networking boosts knowledge and growth potential. You'll be planting yourself in great grounds when you go out to network. Whether you're employed or you're running a business, it helps either way. Another wealth hack is to learn a high income skill. I have videos about skills to avoid, and I have another video about high income skills. Go check them out. A high income skill is a skill with high market demand. So this simply means if it has a high market demand, then there's a probability the earnings are high. Dedicate your time to learning in-demand skills like coding or copywriting. These skills can boost your income without big investments. You know, there are some things they need a lot of money, like, for example, businesses, or if you're getting into real estate, you need you have to use a lot of money. This one, you don't necessarily have to use a lot of money. So take advantage of it. Learning a skill has high potential earning, but it takes time to learn. You have to make time. So if you have a job, you have to, do online classes, or you'll figure it out, but you have to create time. Developing these skills leads to bigger earning potential for you. Another wealth hack is to embrace minimalism. I am on a minimalism journey. I'm a minimalist, and so far I like it. In the beginning, it was a bit tough, but Rome wasn't built in a day. Minimalism is a lifestyle of less consumption and intentional spending. You basically just become intentional with your money. You avoid impulse buying, and it forces you to focus more on needs than on wants. It frees up money for you, and that way you get extra cash for things like investments, businesses, and stuff like that. An individual who's on a journey to minimalism, it's very easy for that person to build wealth. Minimalism reduces expenses, but it needs lots and lots of discipline. You have to be a very disciplined individual. It helps you save more by focusing on essentials. Another wealth hack is to create passive income streams. These are streams that require minimum to no effort to maintain once they are set up. You can look into things like affiliate marketing, dividends, stocks, or real estate. This is great because it provides income without constant hard work or constant active work. It gives you ongoing income, but initial setup is needed. When you're setting it up, it might need time and resources and money. Passive income provides steady earnings with less time input. Another wealth hack is for you to invest in real estate crowdfunding. This is where several people bring money together, pooling resources with other investors for real estate opportunities. It can be difficult when you're doing it alone. Real estate is one of those investments where you need, initially, you'd have to have a lot of money or a huge sum of money to even invest in real estate. But nowadays, things have become so easy. There's rates and there's this crowdfunding. You start by joining real estate platforms that allow small investments. They allow you to come with the minimum amount of money to invest. This is a great opportunity because it allows you participate in real estate with a low entry cost. It gives you access to real estate income, but there is always platform fees. You know, these platforms you join so that you can do the crowdfunding. There's platform fees. So you go do your research, look at the pros and cons, and see if this is something you would want to do. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to diversify in property markets. The last wealth hack I have for you today is be frugal. Be frugal. This simply means being economical or being careful when it comes to money. A lot of people don't like this frugal thing, but I think it's best, especially if you're on your financial journey or you're working towards wealth building. Don't be extravagant. Don't be moving around, splashing your money here and there. Use credit or loans wisely. When spending money, you make sure you have a budget. Being frugal helps you differentiate between wants and needs. The good thing about being frugal is you'll have enough money to spend on things that you really need. And something like an investment is something you need. When you're frugal, you effectively manage your expenses and reduce debts. The only downside of being frugal, it has a potential of being restrictive. You might even lose some of your friends. You'll start fighting with the people or your spouse, because you'll be saying no to a lot of things, especially if they're just one. You'll say no without any second thought. So this will make you look very restrictive. Being frugal also can affect you as an individual because you may lose out on things that you enjoy. Okay? So it's not just the people around you. But regardless of everything, being frugal is not about depriving yourself. It's more about making intentional choices, spending money wisely, and saving or investing strategically. So, my advice for you is to be as frugal as you can until you reach your goals. Until then, practice minimalism, be frugal. You'll lose some friends, but I'm sure you'll acquire the right ones. Like I said earlier, network with like-minded people, people who understand what minimalism is about, and people who understand what being frugal is about. That's the only way this will even feel lighter for you. Okay? Remember, you have to be strategic with your money if you want to be wealthy. You have to be strict with your money. Follow these wealth hacks and let us see in due time where you end up. Well, I hope this gets to help someone. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be notified once we upload another new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.